welcome to jCloudTV. Today we're gonna unbox the Kinetic Sand Volcano Island. Never dries out. Some wind sand and molds included. Create a volcano island. There's 4 jungle molds and 2 colors of sand included. It has a sandbox play space included, which is right there. Now let's open this. It's so easy to open because we already take out the tape. And this is what it includes: the cement sand, the regular one, and the 4 sand molds, including the instructions. Also, don't forget the box that you could play in. It has a volcano in it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. jCloudTV.